Listen, right now, as you're sitting there, breathing, blinking, maybe sipping your coffee or scrolling through your phone, there's a clock ticking. It's not on your wall, not on your wrist. It's deeper. It's carved into your bones, etched into every cell of your body, counting down with a rhythm you can't stop. Every second, every heartbeat, every flick of your eyes across this screen, it's dropping. Minutes, hours, days, years. A clock with your name on it, ticking towards zero. You don't know when it stops. Could be tomorrow, could be decades, but it's moving, relentless, unforgiving. And here's the gut punch. You're dying. Right now. Not in some distant abstract future. Now every breath you take is one less you've got left. So what are you doing with it? Screwing around? Waiting for the right moment? Letting procrastination steal what's yours? Or are you ready to face that clock, feel its weight, and start running it like it's a race you can beat? This isn't a scare tactic. It's not about curling up in a corner, terrified of the end. No. This is a wake-up call, a brutal, ice-cold slap to snap you out of the haze. You're not immortal. You're not some eternal flame flickering forever. You're flesh and blood, a finite spark, a blip on a timeline that's already halfway gone, or more. You've been coasting, haven't you? Telling yourself there's time to start that project, time to hit the gym, time to chase the dream you've been kicking down the road. Tomorrow, you say, like it's a promise. It's not. Tomorrow's a thief, and every delay you let slide is a chunk of your life. It's pocketing, laughing as it slips through your fingers. That clock doesn't wait. It doesn't negotiate. It ticks, and you're either running with it or bleeding out to it. Picture it. Close your eyes for a second. Really see it. A clock, old and rusted, hands spinning faster than you want to admit. Your name scratched across the face in jagged letters. Every tick is a second gone. Every talk a minute you won't get back. You're what? 25? 30? 40? Do the math. Average lifespan's around 80 if you're lucky. Less if the world's got other plans. Subtract your age. That's your rough count. Your years left, your days left, your hours left. 50 years? 40? 20? Now cut it into seconds. Millions, sure, but they're draining fast. You've already burned through a third, maybe half, maybe more. What have you got to show for it? A pile of laters? A stack of half-finished plans? That's what procrastination does. It robs you blind while you're busy pretending you've got forever. You've felt it, haven't you? That quiet nag when you waste a day, binging shows, scrolling feeds, letting the hours melt into nothing. It's not just guilt. It's your gut screaming that something's wrong, that time's slipping, that the clock's hands are moving and you're standing still. You've had those mornings where you wake up, groggy, hitting snooze like it's a game, telling yourself you'll get to it. And then it's night, and you're staring at the same undone list, the same unrun miles, the same unstarted dreams. That's not laziness. That's theft. You're stealing from yourself, from the you that's clawing to get out, the you that knows there's more, the you that's watching that clock and begging you to move. Every "I'll do it later" is a pickpocket, dipping into what's left of your life. But here's the flip. Here's where the dark turns sharp. That clock, it's not just your enemy, it's your fuel. It's not here to crush you. It's here to light a fire under your ass. You hack your mind to feel it, to let that ticking sink into your gut, like a drum beat you can't ignore. You're not immortal, and that's your power. Every second's a deadline, every minute's a shot, every day's a chance to grab what's yours before it's gone. You don't have forever, and that's why you don't wait. You don't delay. You don't let procrastination win. You run the clock like it's a race, because it is. You're dying, sure, but you're not dead yet. And until that last tick, you've got a say in how this goes. Think about it. You've seen the years slip already, birthdays piling up, candles you can't count anymore. Remember 10 years ago? Feels like yesterday, doesn't it? That summer you swore you'd change, that job you meant to leave, that goal you scribbled down and forgot. Blink, and it's gone. Now picture 10 years from now. Where are you? Still waiting? Still pushing it off? Or standing taller, scars earned, battles fought, because you stopped screwing around and started running? That clock's not slowing down, it's speeding up, and every second you waste is a second you'll never claw back. You've lost enough already. Childhood's a memory, youth's fading, and middle age is creeping or already here. How much more are you willing to give away? Let's make it real. You're 30. Say it out loud. Average life's 80 maybe. That's 50 years left. 18,250 days if you're counting. Sounds like a lot, right? It's not. Sleep takes a third. 6,000 gone. Work another third. 6,000 more. You're down to 6,000 days, give or take. 15 years of waking hours to live, to fight, to matter. And that's if you're lucky. If the clock doesn't punch out early. You're at 40, 30 years left. 10,000 days, maybe 3,000 to actually do something. 50, 20 years, 7,000 days, a handful of hours to cash in. Every snooze, every scroll, every meh, later. It's not just a moment. It's your life bleeding out, drop by drop, while you watch. You've had brushes with it, haven't you? That scare, the doctor's call, the car that swerved too close, the night you couldn't sleep because the what if hit too hard. For a second you felt it. The clock, the edge, the end. Your heart raced, your palms sweated, and you swore you'd change. Start tomorrow. Live harder. Stop wasting it. Then the sun came up, the fear faded, and you slid back into the same old rut. That's the trap. You don't feel the ticking until it's loud, until it's too late. But you don't have to wait for the siren. You can hack it now. You can make that clock your pulse, your rhythm, your reason to move. Not tomorrow, not next week. Now look at the ones who got it. The ones who built something, who left a mark, who lived like they meant it. They didn't have more time. They had less bullshit. They felt the clock. They knew it wasn't a suggestion. It was a deadline. Edison burning midnight oil, inventing while the world slept. Tick. Ali training when his body begged to quit. Dodging punches, and years. Tick. That single mom, you know. Working 2 jobs, raising kids, still smiling. Tick. They didn't wait. They didn't procrastinate. They ran the clock, paid the price, cashed the days. You think they were special? They weren't. They were just awake. Awake to the ticking. Awake to the theft. Awake to the race. You can be too. You're not here to drift. You're not here to let the days blur into a gray smear of maybe someday. You're here to feel that clock in your chest, to let it shake you loose from the quicksand of delay. Every tick's a question. What are you doing? Every talk's an answer. Move now, or lose it. You don't have forever. You don't even have tomorrow. Guaranteed. You've got this breath, this heartbeat, this moment, and it's already slipping. So what's it going to be? Keep screwing around, letting the thief take what's yours? Or start running the clock like it's a fight you can win? You're dying, right now. Make it count. You've heard the tick. You feel it now, that gnawing pull in your gut. This isn't just a wake-up call. It's a blueprint. A way to hack your mind and live like the clock's your fuel, not your jailer. Here's how you take the death clock and burn it into your days. How you kill procrastination and ignite the urgency you've been dodging. These aren't soft suggestions. They're your orders. Follow them, and you'll run the race. Slack off, and the clock wins. Step 1. Set your timer and face the number. Start today. Grab a pen, a scrap of paper, your phone, something. Write your age. 30, 40, whatever. Average lifespan's 80. Subtract it. That's your rough years left. 50, 40 less. Multiply by 365 days left. 30 years, 10,950 days. 40 years, 14,600. Cut a third for sleep. Down to 7,300 waking days maybe. Write it big. 7,300 days left. Stick it where you'll see it. Mirror, desk, wallet. That's your clock ticking. Look at it every morning. Feel it sink in. No fluff, just truth. You've got less than you think. Move now. Step 2. Beat the tick. Start with one strike. Pick one thing you've been delaying. Small, real, gnawing. That email you owe, the run you skipped, the page you meant to write. Set a 5-minute timer. 5 minutes to start, not finish. When it rings, you're in. No excuses, no later. Feel the clock's pulse. Every second you stall is stolen. Do it daily. Same time, 7 a.m., 6 p.m., whatever sticks. 5 minutes turns into 10, then an hour, then a habit. You're not waiting for motivation. You're outrunning the tick. Stack those strikes. Procrastination bleeds out fast. Step 3. Rig the alarm and make it sting. Hack your wake up. Set your alarm. Loud, harsh, across the room. Label it. Death clock. Move or die. When it screams, you're up. No snooze, no bargaining. Splash cold water. Do 10 push-ups. Shout if you're alone. Anything to jolt you awake. That's the tick hitting your chest, reminding you. This day's not infinite. Tie it to your number. 7,300 left. This is 1. Do it every morning. Let it burn the fog off. You're not easing in. You're racing out. Step 4. Mark the hours. Track the drain. Get a cheap watch, a timer app, something that ticks. Set it to chime hourly. 8 a.m., 9 a.m., on. Every chime, pause. Ask, what did I do this hour? Wasted it scrolling? Note it. Lost 3,600 seconds. Crushed a task. Mark it. Bought 3,600. Keep a tally. Notebook, phone, napkin. End the day. Count the losses versus the wins. See the clock draining. Feel the theft. Do this daily for a week. Watch the urgency grow. You'll stop pissing time away when you see it bleed. Step 5. Spend the days and chase the big cut. Once a week, raise the stakes. Pick one thing that matters. Something you've pushed off for months. A side hustle, a hard talk, a 10K run. Break it into 7 daily bites. Monday, plan. Tuesday, first step, on. Set a deadline. Sunday, it's done. Tell yourself, this is 7 of my 7,300. Spend it or lose it. Feel the clock's teeth. Every delay's a day gone forever. Push till it's dead. Weekly, you're not just living, you're cashing in big. Step 6. Nightly talk, face the countdown. End each day with a reckoning. 10 minutes, no distractions. Sit in the dark, clock in mind. Ask, what did I trade this day for? List the wins. Ran, wrote, fought. List the thefts. Scrolled, stalled, slept. Then subtract 1 from your number. 7,299 left. Say it out loud. 1 less. Feel the tick, the talk, the drop. Plan tomorrow. One thing you won't let slip. Do it every night. That's your drum beat. Your reminder, time's not waiting. This is your race now. You'll slip, scroll too long, snooze once, miss a day. Fine, get back up. The clock doesn't care about your excuses, but it respects your fight. Every step you take, every second you seize, you're running it, not it running you. Burn that number into your skull. 7,300, 5,000, whatever's left. Feel it. Live it. You're dying. Right now. Start beating the clock today. That's the clock laid bare for today, warriors. To all you GrimFace warriors out there, the ones who've been running this race with me, staring down the ticks, fighting every talk, thank you. You're the pulse of this fight. The ones who don't blink when the countdown hits, who turn every stolen second into a strike. You're not just here, you're beating the clock with me, and I'm damn proud to have you in this trench. You keep the fire alive, and that's what makes us relentless. And to the new blood watching, the ones just hearing the tick for the first time, welcome to the GrimFace movement. You've felt it, haven't you? That gut punch, that urge to stop drifting and start running before the hands hit zero. This isn't just a wake-up call. It's your shot to join the ranks, to live like time's yours to seize. Don't stand there counting down. Hit that subscribe button, lock in, and run with us. We're not here to wait or waste. We're here to fight, to claim, to outlast. You've got a place with the GrimFace warriors if you're ready to beat the clock. Subscribe, step up, and let's make every tick count together. See you in the next race.